Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this DIY, I'll be making a very elegant candle holder that can be used all year round, but especially for weddings, special occasions, and holidays. So to get started, I have two of the Dollar Tree candle holders. I have these VOTIVES light holders. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the tags. The cool thing about these is you can use these as a tea light holder or a regular taper type candle. These are really cool and they have a really nice weight to them. So what I'm going to do is glue one on top of each candle holder, just like that. But first I'll clean both pieces with alcohol. Okay, I'm done cleaning all my pieces with alcohol. Now for this part you want a really strong glue. I'll be using Gorilla Glue. You can use E6000. Whatever type of strong clear glue that you're used to. You can use that as well. So I'll go ahead and put some glue right around the top of my candle holder. So I'm just going to put this right on top and center it as best as I can. So you can also turn it over so you can get a better look at what you're doing. Same thing for this one. So I'm going to put some weight on top of both pieces and let them dry for about 3 hours. Okay guys, now I'm back. It's been about 3 or 4 hours. So what I want to do now is glue these two pieces together. Now there's one tricky thing about this. Now Dollar Tree candle holders are uneven on the bottom. But if you turn them around a certain way, you can get them to level out. So it's like you trying to match up the high end to the low end on the bottom, if that makes sense. So you have to use a level to make sure that they're even. Here I have a level. And I'm just going to turn it until it looks level. Okay, that's pretty good. And because I have ridges, I want to keep these ridges in line. So I'm going to put this down right in front of it. Now I'm going to take some more of my Gorilla Glue and put it around the rim of the bottom candle holder. Now I'll put this on top. Again, making sure that I match up the ridges. That's looking pretty good. So I'm going to allow this to dry for about an hour. Then I'll come back and move on to the next step. Okay, I'm back and it's been about 2 hours. As you can see, both pieces are glued together. So what I want to do now is add a little bit more interest and weight to the bottom of my candle holder. Here I have a VOTIVE holder that I found at Goodwill. So I'm going to flip it over and glue it to the base of the candle holder. And again, because I want it permanent, I'll be using this Gorilla Glue. Now, because of the way it touches, I'm going to put it on the side and the top. And I also like this piece because it has ridges in it like the candle holders. So now I have the glue on the top and the side. I'm going to stick this right on top and let this glue together. Again, I'm going to use this level to make sure that it's level. So now I'll allow the glue to set up for a few hours and then come back and move on to the next part. Okay guys, I'm back. And now I'm going to move on to the next step, and I'll be gluing one of these candle holders onto the very top. And here's this cube. Alright, I have one ready. I've already cleaned the back. And so now I'll be adding some more of my glue right on top of my candle holder. And now I'll just center this on top of the candle holder. Now this is really beautiful the way it is. You can go ahead and add a candle to it, or if you want to, you can add a Dollar Tree cylinder vase. I have this 9-inch vase, and I also have the 7-inch vase. But I think the 9-inch vase looks better, so I'm going to remove this label. Let me give you the skew. Clean the bottom with alcohol, and this with alcohol as well, glued it on top, and then we'll be done. Okay, I'm done cleaning the inside and the outside of my cylinder vase, and I've also cleaned the top of my candle holder. So now I'll add some Gorilla Glue right around the rim and then glue it on top. Okay, just like that. So now I'll allow this to set up overnight, come back, and maybe I'll add some bling to it, and then we'll be done. Okay guys, it's the next day. So I want to go ahead and decorate my hurricane. And I decided to go with this bling. So what I'm going to do is put 2 rows at the bottom and then 1 row at the top. And as you can see, I've already cut a piece to fit. So this time around, to save on time, I'm just going to hot glue it in place. So now I want to go ahead and add some beads right around the center. Also, let me add, I put a Dollar Tree mirror right around the base for stability, and if I want to accent it with like some diamonds or flowers, I have the space to do that. Alright, next up I have some of these Dollar Tree beads. So what I want to do is just put some beads right around the center. I might put some here and here as well. I'm not sure yet. And I'm starting in the back. I'm pushing the beads right into those grooves. Okay, so I decided to add some bling around the bottom of this middle section and at the top. So all I did was take this and just cut it in half. Okay, so I think that's all I'm going to do to it. And of course you can't see the whole thing. Alright, so I have this candle. I'm going to drop it right on the inside. So I'm going to light that up, let you guys see what it looks like. And this is when I'm done without the cylinder vase. And I'm going to put this candle right on top and let you see what they both look like on display. And then you'll be able to determine which one you prefer. If you like both looks, you can always just set a cylinder vase on top to where it's not permanent. Tack it down with some kind of sticky tape, or you can hold it in place with a really small amount of hot glue and then go from there. So yeah, I'm going to put these on display, light them up, and let you see what they look like. And as promised, here are my 2 elegant candle holders on display. As you can see, I put them on my bedroom nightstand, and it gives my room a really romantic feel. Like I said earlier, they can be used for a wedding, special occasions, holidays, or anywhere that you would need some beautiful tall candle holders. I really love them both because they're really easy, inexpensive, and versatile. The candle holder with the hurricane costs $8 to build, and that's including the piece from Goodwill. And of course, that means the piece without the hurricane only costs $7. And like I said, it's versatile, so you can decorate it however you like. You can even put gems or flowers inside the middle section. Of course, you would have to do that before gluing the 2 pieces together, but it would really look beautiful. You could also decorate them with colors of bling. You don't necessarily have to use silver, or you can just use them without any bling at all. They are beautiful either way. Okay everyone, this concludes my video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave me a thumbs up. If you prefer one candle holder over the other one, comment below. I'd love to hear about it. Don't forget to share, and subscribe if you haven't already. It's absolutely free. Okay everyone, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.